Hi James, we're going to have a go at processing your samples. The approach we're going to take is to do it in 2 stages. First stage will be to do the wide section, front and rear. And then I'll readjust the tool and we'll do the thinner sections. So we'll pop the unit in the vise. The material needs to feed in this direction. Okay. Now we have the wide profile, and now we'll readjust the tool and do the narrower edges. So open up the roller gap till it's backed right off. I'm going to invert the tool and there we have the edges cleaned up.